Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, it's Vincent David here and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Alright guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to run Instagram adverts in 2022. Alright guys, so how have you been? How has everything been with you? How has your online business journey been? And we've been making a lot of money. I've not been sitting back on a lot of things and leaving money on the table. I will sincerely forbid you from doing that. Yeah, I forbid you from leaving money on the table. I forbid you from not making money online. Okay, guys. So if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you a lot of things you're doing wrong about your Instagram. A lot of things wrong about Instagram and a lot of things you don't understand about Instagram advert. The first thing you should know is you would make a lot of money selling on Instagram. Why? Because on Instagram, vanity sells. Before I proceed further, I'd like you to know that if you've not signed up for Name School, you should sign up for Name School. Yeah, Name School's link is on this video, www.nameschool.com. Go to Name School, take any course that you want to take. The entry-level course, which is e-commerce course, is selling for 60,000, 59,999. Yeah, just go to Name School. If you don't take e-commerce course, there are other courses there to take, okay? Not less than that amount. Just go to Name School, pick any digital skill you want to master, take a course on that, and you'll be so glad you did. Every day we make sales at Name School. Join the league, and one beautiful thing about Name School is the community. The community Name School chooses for you. When you sign up for Name School, you're added to a community where you can discuss, connect with people, ask questions, and master your entire journey. Okay, so let's go. Amazing. Okay, so things to note. The first thing is there is money on Instagram. There is money on Instagram. That's the first thing you should note. A lot of money is on Instagram. Don't leave money on the table. Second thing you should note is you don't run effective Instagram adverts from Instagram. The same way you don't run effective Facebook adverts from Facebook. There's a place you run Instagram adverts from. Alright? And that place is called www.adsmanager.com. That's where you run effective Instagram adverts from. Okay, so steps to take. The first step to take is to set up a Facebook page. Second step to take is connect it to Instagram. If you set up Facebook, connect it to Instagram. Alright, you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, go to YouTube and type how to connect my Facebook page to Instagram. Next thing, get your targeting right. Okay, get your targeting right. Okay, let me explain this. Okay, let's take it one by one. So set up a Facebook page. You know how to do a Facebook page now. This is not the beginner's channel. We've not set up a Facebook page. I've always told you anything you don't know how to do, what? Google and YouTube is your friend. So go to YouTube, how to create a Facebook page. After you finish doing that, next thing to do is connect your Facebook page to Instagram. I've already talked about that. Connect your Facebook page to Instagram. How to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. Okay. Now get your targeting right. On your targeting, on Instagram, there's what we call frequent travelers. On Instagram, you want to target vanity people. Instagram is a place of vanity, shiny things and pictures. As well as Instagram advert must be that videos or pictures. Very, very clear, crystal pictures that make you look like one fine place. That makes the product looks like something that is from abroad. Right? So get your targeting right. What to call frequent travelers. Okay, so that frequent traveler is a keyword. You can target it on Facebook, and it also show you airlines travelers, influential people. Those 6 keywords I'm saying it on Facebook. So that's the targeting to use for Instagram. Okay, focus on real placement. Let's simply delve into the Instagram advert platform. Okay, so this is Ads Manager. So you choose any campaign you want to run, but most especially choose conversion. All right. So you go click on continue. If you click on continue, it's going to load. So let's wait for that to load. My laptop may be a little bit slow because there are a lot of activities running on this laptop now, and it's kind of very heavy. So let's just wait for that to load. Okay. Okay, so this is where you run your advert from. You come like you want to run a Facebook advert. Okay, so the first thing to do is to name your campaign. Okay, name your campaign. Let's call this test. Tests First Instagram ID. Next thing to do, leave every other thing bare and blank. Okay, so you go to next, click on next. Let's wait for that to load. Okay, so the website you are directing them to. Of course, you're running in Instagram advert. If you want to run Instagram advert, you should have a landing page where they are going to. Okay, you should have a landing page where they are going to. Okay, if they are coming to your Instagram page, you have to put your Instagram page in there. So you have to have a website. Okay, so you put your conversion event. You know how to set up conversion events, right? How to set up a thank you page. But this is not what's important. I'll just show you what is most important here. Okay, so you name your ad set name by your age range. Let's say, sorry guys, 25 to 55 plus, to 55. No, 55 doesn't use Instagram. So what you need to ask yourself is, which people use Instagram? Who are those that use Instagram? It's a question you must ask yourself. Who uses Instagram? By the time you get the answer to that question, you get an answer to majority of your question. So let's say 25 to 45. So you scroll. Set up your conversion if you've not done that. Then the first thing you do is you pick up your budget. Okay, your budget, if you're starting to test the advert, can be 5,000 a day. Okay, I haven't done that, so you come to location, leave your location at Nigeria. Age range, this is where you put your age range. So you click on this, it's gonna get 25. So 45. Okay, so the gender, you pick your gender, male and female. If it's all gender, male and female, leave it like that. Then detail targeting. This is what I'm talking about, the frequent online travelers, because you want to target rich people. So you go to frequent international travelers. So basically frequent travelers, yeah. You're seeing that now on the screen. So click on them. Okay, it's not bringing us suggestions. So okay, it's bringing us suggestions. Now, so suggestions. Frequent international travelers. So travel and leisure. Vacations. People that luxury goods, people that do a lot of luxury. First class travel, so you pick that. Okay, so if you pick that, the next thing to do is you come to your placements. So the placements, you click on manual placements. All devices, you want to remove desktop, leave that mobile. Then you untick, this is the main point. This is where you run Instagram advert. You untick all the stuff. Untick all of them. Leave it at Instagram. Leave it at Instagram. Then leave it at Instagram newsfeed, Instagram Explore, Instagram Shop. But what I want to focus on is on Instagram Reels. Now, every application, especially social networks, focuses on a part of its application that are launching, or they want to make popular, or they want to make to be a counter to a rival. So there's something applications do every time. Now the focus on the part of the application they want to be very popular at that moment or at that season of that business. So for Facebook, their own is Reels. Sorry, for Instagram, their own is Reels. So you want your advert to be Reels compliant. Or even if it might not be Reels, you have to do, I don't know what's like a full video, but let your advert be shown on Reels. So the advert must be 1 minute. Because Reels is no more than 1 minute. And who Facebook is trying to counter with Reels is TikTok. That's why if you take a video from TikTok and upload on your Reels, it won't get much visibility on Facebook, on Instagram, than when you create the Reels from scratch. Reels is like TikTok. It's like TikTok. It's like TikTok. Alright. So Instagram is using that to counter TikTok because TikTok is capturing the attention of people. But of course now, TikTok is far too gone. Okay, so they're using that to counter the TikTok brand. Okay, the TikTok, they're using that to counter it. So you want to focus on Reels. Let your advert show on Reels. That is basically what is most important if you're trying to run Instagram advert. So Put out pricing. This is what's most important. If you're running Instagram price advert, please don't take people DM me for price. Stop that nonsense. Stop stop that nonsense. I'm serious. Put out pricing. Imagine you go to a supermarket, and for every, no supermarket is big. For every product, you have to go and ask the person in the counter how much. You pick it. You pick the product. But how much is this one? 10,000. Okay, you got something, you can drop it back. Pick on that one. But how much is this one? 8,000. Okay, you can drop it back. Pick on that one. But how much is this one? 200,000. No, we don't do that. That's what you are telling when you say daily for price. Somebody will not click or link it. That's why you put out your pricing on Instagram. Put it out. Most of the things I've bought on Instagram is because I saw the price in there. So I went there to know if I'm paying or I'm bargaining. So put out your pricing. Put out your pricing. Don't forget that. Okay. Then have an effective call to action. Whenever to Instagram, you must have an effective call to action. Your call to action is very, very important. So you want to use shop now. For promoting your Instagram page, you want to use visit now or visit page. Okay. So if you're running these adverts on Instagram, where is that adverts that? Which was I using? Okay, this. You're running these adverts on Instagram. So come to show more options. Let's go by. So you go on all mobile devices. Not really all mobile devices. Most people access Instagram with both iPhone and Android. So leave it on all mobile devices. Right? So you click on next. Okay, this is where you now put out your creative. This is where you put out your videos, where you put out your pictures. Okay, so what you want to do is so you have to choose come here, single image of video. Yeah, choose single image of video. Now when you've done that, you then duplicate. Let's say you put out an image, design an image, get a graphic designer, or you do it yourself. Design an image, put out the headline. Then when you finish, I want to show you a hack. Okay, when I say call to action, what I mean by call to action? This place. You want to use shop now. Run the service, you have to use book now. You have to use shop now, order now. Alright. All those stuff. Get offer. If you run an offer ad. Now to come to this button, if you want to duplicate, go to now. This is a hack. So once you're done, don't publish your advertisement. Once you're done doing the creative, click on duplicate. Okay, you can duplicate. You should show how many copies you want to be duplicated. If you want 3, 4, you do that. Then you change the images. Just the images and the videos. If the videos, change the thumbnails. Try different thumbnails on the videos. I'm going to see how beautiful your ad will perform. Alright. So these are the hacks running effective Instagram advert on 2022. So what are the kind of products you can sell on Instagram? Someone is asking. The first product you can sell on Instagram is number 1, beauty products. Beauty product, because everybody on Instagram wants to look beautiful. Beauty product to the women. You can sell body enhancement products. Body enhancement product like breast enlargement, butt enlargement, all those kind of products. Then you can sell security products. People want to be secured on Instagram. But a lot of things fly on Instagram. You see news from different blogs on Instagram. I'm not mentioning any blog on this video. So security product. Okay. Then you want to also sell online courses on Instagram. Yeah, online courses. You know, on Instagram don't know how. They don't know how. Digital marketing. Instagram is a gold mine for digital marketing. Okay. For selling soft digital marketing skills. You want to sell online courses on Instagram. You want to sell your services on Instagram. Cleaning services, cooking services, baking services, travel agency services. Most of my travels I've done is because the travel agency helped me. They helped me to travel agency services. So you have to do a lot of those things to get on board with this. So service I've mentioned a couple of them. Alright, so that's what's up. So if you've not run effective Instagram advert, I hope this video has helped you with a little hack, even if it's 1 or 2 hacks. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to this channel, and I would also like to see you in Name School. Follow me on Instagram at Vincent David Official. Follow me on Facebook, Vincent David. Follow me on Twitter. I am Vincent David. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and let us hear your comment section, your questions and all that. Then let me know if you get results with these videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.